This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by finding the router's IP on your Xbox. Settings, Network, Advanced. Once you have that address, open a browser on a PC or phone and log in with your admin username and password. Make sure to export or save a backup of the current router configuration before changing anything. This lets you revert if needed. While logged in, keep the Xbox nearby and connected so you can verify settings as you change them. And remember the goal: improve NAT or port access for Xbox One. Next, enable UPnP in the router's advanced settings to let the Xbox negotiate ports automatically. This is usually the simplest and safest option. If UPnP is unavailable or unreliable, create a DHCP reservation for your Xbox's MAC and then manually forward required Xbox Live ports such as 3074 and 88, plus 53, 500, 3544, and 4500 as needed. After adding reservations or port forwards, save the configuration and reboot the router. Finally, verify changes directly on the Xbox by running network diagnostics and checking NAT type. You want open or at least moderate for best multiplayer. If you still see strict or problems persist, recheck port numbers, ensure firewall rules aren't blocking traffic, and look for double NAT. 2 routers on the same chain can block ports. If troubleshooting stalls, temporarily place the Xbox IP in the router's DMZ to test connectivity. If that fixes it, narrow down which router or firewall needs configuration adjustments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.